One of the most popular Instagram models in the world quit social media for good, and you won't believe her reason why. Hey guys, it's Emily for HollywoodLife.com, and okay, we all know the downside of social media. The stuff you post isn't exactly your real life. Let's be honest, I've done it. This selfie, it actually was one of 30. Well, that's exactly what started to get to 19-year-old Australian model Essena O'Neill. Essena has over 800,000 Instagram followers, but now she says she is done with all the social stuff for good. She admitted in a really emotional 17-minute YouTube video on her very popular channel, by the way, that getting attention from strangers is not a real-life experience and certainly has not made her happy.
And I'm quitting social media to tell anyone and everyone who's still watching, I was miserable. I had it all. And I was miserable, because when you let yourself be defined by numbers, you let yourself be defined by something that is not pure, that is not real, and that is not love.
Essena has now deleted over 2,000 photos from her feed that she felt were merely self-promotional, and also changed the captions on former photos that once idealized her perfect body and perfect life. Like this one she edited to express her real feelings, writing, "I took over 100 pics in similar poses trying to make my stomach look good. Would have hardly eaten all day. Would have yelled at my little sister to keep taking them until I was somewhat proud of this." Yep, so totally #goals. Wow, but one of the saddest parts about all this is that Essena says her whole career has let down the real person she was at 12 years old before all this started.
At 12, I thought I was nothing. And then here, at nearly 19, with all of these followers, I don't even know what is real and what is not, because I've let myself be defined by something that is so not real. Being with people in your real life, hugging people, talking to people, going out into the park, into nature, that is fucking real life. And I didn't do it for the majority of my life because I was just living in a screen, wishing that people would value me, that people would hear me, that people would just know me. And that's all that I thought I should do, and it's not real.
I have to say, I have so much respect for her honesty and bravery. Essena, we love you, and this is so inspiring. So I want to hear from you guys. Would you ever be able to give up your social media?
Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you, but all we ask so that we can keep making these videos is that you subscribe to our channel, which is so super easy. All you have to do is click on me on your desktop or down here below on your mobile device to subscribe, and that's it. Okay, begging session officially over. Bye guys.